This is the comedor at one of the churches we attend in the Huatulco area, up in the woods. It's called Genesis, and it's in Huatulco area. Have you ever really needed a leak fixed and you just couldn't? Needed to get new glasses and the old ones gave you headaches, but you couldn't help that because you just couldn't. And you needed to get to the dentist, and that turned into an infection, and that cost more money and more pain. But at the time, you just couldn't. Well, they haven't been able to replace them until 3 different ladies, 2 of whom had actually visited the church here in Huatulco, got together with their donations.
¡Ey! Vete por allá abajo. ¡Rápido! Buenas tardes, hermano. ¿Cuántos son?
Son en total 54 sillas.
¿Esta también o esta no?
Ah, esta no.
So the armed chairs are for inside the church assembly area, and those are the ones I'm talking about. The next set of chairs that are being brought in do not have arms, and they're for the comedor, the eating areas, so that they can put them closer to each other. So sometimes you just got to stop and say, thank you, God. So the night before Mother's Day, because this was a Mother's Day gift for the ladies at the church, the guys cleaned it up, turned on the generator to have light, sent me a picture and asked, is this the way it's supposed to be? They did fix a meal for the ladies, and they wanted everything to be just perfect. The male expats at our church put their money together, and it was very hard, but they were able to get roses for the ladies. This is our pastor's precious wife. Once a year, the pastor makes the bread for the Lord's Supper, and it's in Easter time. And this is the clay oven that they use. All of our area has a lot of firewood after Agatha hurricane. The oven is also used for other events throughout the year. Today, for Mother's Day, the pastor is cooking marlin. So that's the way he would go in and get it out, see? He'd go in and get whatever's out.
It's food.
Look at that. Isn't that amazing? There had been a marlin tournament here in Huatulco, and from the catch, they donated some to the church. Thank you, Pastor.
God bless you.
So adobe is different types of dry red chili powders, and they grind them up and put other flavors like garlic, and see, each person has their recipe for this adobe. This is the Mother's Day luncheon after church, and all the men prepared it. So now let's check out those new Mother's Day chairs, because that's a part of the Mother's Day event also. And all the ladies are so comfortable and grateful. Their skirts are not getting snagged. Their bodies are comfortable. You know, before it was really hard. Some of us would feel guilty, but yet complain about our bodies hurting after eating and fellowshipping for about 2 hours. But now it's just really nice, and we're so grateful for these new chairs. Thank you for the chairs. Gracias por las sillas. Yelene, Marianne, y Sharon. Yelene, Marianne, and Sharon.